Hi guys! Today we will cook a combination of Korean and Filipino food. So it's Gochujang Adobo. So what is Gochujang? Gochujang is Korean chili. It's made up of fermented glutinous rice, chilies, and what else is in there? Some aromatics. But it's basically chili and glutinous rice. So I can check here. Yeah, it's glutinous rice and chili and some soya. So we will use pork and let's cook. This is for our dinner. So this one will be just really quick. Wala pa kasi ako nakitang recipe ng ganito, so I just thought subukan natin. And my wife is asking me to cook adobo, so ano bang type niyo sa adobo? Ako gusto ko yung medyo tuyo. So put oil. As I said, dire-diretso to ha. Kasi may mga gagawin pa tayo. Siningit lang natin to. So, onion. So, habang nag-iiwa tayo guys, so magpasalamat sa inyo sa mga sumusuporta. Nagulat ako sa overwhelming support. Dahil dyan, nagluto ko kayo ng masarap na adobo. So yan. Ang nanay ko usually pag nagluto ng adobo, crush lang yung bawang. So ako, medyo tinatag ko siya ng konti. So, uusap na siya. Okay. Then we put our poultry pork. So this is pork shoulder. So cut lang natin yung cubes. Yung tatay ko pag nag-adobo, binababad niya muna sa kalamansi at toyo yung meat. Pero ako kasi lagi mabilisan, so wala na. Adobo pork shoulder. Pakutsahin lang. Snow. So, naglag yung snow. So, i-deglaze natin para yung flavor dito. Sprite. So, dito manggagaling yung sweetness niya. Sa Sprite. So, lagyan natin ang pepper, asin, salt, syempre toyo. Pag Pag nagsusukat ako, so usually 1 part ng vinegar and 1.5 part ng toyo at 3 parts ng water. So ito, walang sukat. So alam nyo na. And we will use sukang iloco. And then the gochujang chili. So sa una, konti lang muna lalagay natin. So guys, basically ang adobo sa mga for my friends that are Filipinos. So adobo is a traditional food in the Philippines. It's basically, you can do it like in pork or in chicken, and it is like a stew in vinegar, soy, black peppers, and bay leaves. So that is the main ingredients of adobo, and usually it depends on the region if the adobo is white or black, or sometimes they don't put soy sauce, they just use vinegars. They call it adobo puti. So usually in our region it's like this, but without the gochujang paste. But since we're doing like a fusion or experiment, then we put the gochujang. So I will try to find if we have bay leaves in the pantry. So if there's none, it's not a big deal for me. But if you're gonna do it at home, the basic ingredients again, it's bay leaf, peppercorns or black pepper, and then onions, garlic, soy, and vinegar, and of course water. And I use soft drinks to increase the taste or to enhance the taste of this adobo. So the sweetness will come from the sprite and it will soften the meat. So yeah, there you go. I'm lucky enough. So there's bay leaves. So we just boil this until it gets soft. Then we will reduce the sauce. Okay, so see you again guys after a few minutes. Ciao. So guys, ano na siya? So it's been boiling or simmering for around 30 to 40 minutes. And let's see. So we can see that the fat from the pork is already melted. So we taste. The fermented rice and chili. Oh. So the last ingredient that we will put is this one. This is, what is this? Hoisin! So hoisin soy sauce. We put that for the final touch. So you can see the Coke. Okay lang natin. This is gonna be a good dinner. Yes. So we just simmer this for 2 minutes and we're done. We're eating with rice. Sarap, di ba? And ito na tayo, guys. So this is the reality. We put the pork, just a little bit sauce. Yes, that's good. So, yan na yung ating gochujang pork adobo. And then, we will taste it. Pwede. Gochujang pork adobo. I recommend this, guys. Full combination. See you. Big Boy Finland, please follow my videos and Big Boy Finland. So once again, thank you and please subscribe, like, and watch my video. Thanks. Bye.
Korean. Adobo Big Boy. Adobo ni Big Boy.
Big Boy of Finland.
For sure, panalo to. Diba? Boy Finland. Ang sarap. Kulang yung kanin. Amoy pa lang. Sarap na. Sabaw pa lang. Cases mo yun.
Sige, next in line ako dyan. Ah, hindi. Din ba yung pila? Pila. Sa dulo pa pala ako. Ano yung lasa? Parang nakakatakot yung ano.
Adobo with a touch of Korean. Sarap ang hangin.
Ay, doon.
Nabago pala ulat. Hindi ko narinig. Grabe! Sarap. Sana maulit-ulit. Pwede ko pre-meal ulit. Sana may next week ba?
Kaya ano ko ba ano lang? Alam ko ba sa bawla?
Panalo!
Ba't mo ko kakatandam?
Hindi, ikaw yun.
Okay. Ay, ba yung sa bawla?
Ay, banda dito, banda dito.
Sentensyahan na.
Tingko ko lang yung kanin.
Adobo ni Big Boy Finland.
Dagdagan ko lang kanin ko po ha.
Ate Martin naman. Next in
Wow.
line. Ang dalas.
Ay, hindi ko ito kinain. Perfect with the rice.
Excited ako.
Meron pa pala dyan.
Nakakatuwa.
Grabe po yung Finland. Chef na chef talaga.
There we go. Ano na natin?
Everyday.
Sarap ng karne, te. Malambot yung karne. Nagme-melt sa bibig.
Adobo with a twist. Hindi, magtutwist ka ganun.
Adobo with the twist of Korea. Anyong adobo. Anyong adobo.